In primetime news this evening, former NCB Bank manager sentenced to 7 years, 6 months after convicted for stealing millions. More time needed. Meeting scheduled with Rick's Cafe following Mocha Fest saga pushed back. And why the opposition wants the government to reopen all sectors or implement a lockdown.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And we've been asking, what are your thoughts on mandatory vaccination for the National Police College new recruits? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.